Hello, good morning. Today we are going to look at how to use the rank function in Excel to find position. So, supposing you have this number of students and you have conducted tests and examination for them and you want to find their position. So, under position, you click and type equal to sign and type the name of the function rank. So equal to rank, then you open bracket, then you start from the first person total. So here the first person total is 57, so you click on it, then you bring your comma and the total is under column E row 7. So 57 is under column E row 7. So that's why you have sent the cell address E7. Then you bring after the comma, then you type E, that is column E. Then you press and hold your shift key, then you press the $sign, the letter which is on top of number 4 on the keyboard. Then you bring the row number. So E7, comma E, that is the column letter, $sign 7. Then you press and hold the shift key again, then you bring your column, then you type the column letter again, that is E. Then you bring your $sign, then you come and type the number, that's the row number of Rita, that is 10. So if you have 100 students, so you type the 100, that's the row number of the last student. So here our last student, her row number is 10. So you type it 10. Then you close the bracket. So the function is equal to rank. Then you open bracket. Then you click on the first person total. So if you click there, it will bring the cell address here. The cell address is what E7. Then you bring your comma. Then you type the column letter, that is E. Then you bring your $sign. Then you type the row number, that is 7. Then you bring your column. Then you repeat, you type the column letter again, E. You bring your $sign. Then you type the row number of the last student. So here our row number for the last student is 10. When you are done, then you close the bracket, then you press the enter key. So after this, then you use the autofill. So you make sure you put the mouse pointer here at this pointed dot. Then you double click on it. Then the rest of the position will come. So with this 4 students, the first person will be what? Rita, because the amount is 60, followed by 57, then 51 and 50. Thank you.